If you did not stop them, they will stop you. Many people have been afflicted with sickness, undefinable sickness, undescribable situation that you don't not even know how to solve them. All because you are saying that I have no enemy, I put everything in the hand of God. Listen and listen real good. If you keep quiet, people will use you as a ladder. And when they climb, they push you for you to fall and smash. That is the kind of what we are. Now, listen, you are going to do this remedy I'm about to tell you now on the 31st night. You can start, you will do it 3 days, 3 nights before New Year 2025. Now, if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Priska. Okay, are you getting it? And you know you have not subscribed to my channel. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. Join us. There is something vital we are sharing. This is a life-saving channel. Are you getting it? So rush now to subscribe. Press on that bell icon. Kim, you will be subscribed. Anytime I put new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Now, what are we talking about? What I'm trying to say is that if you keep quiet, people will destroy you. Now, this is the time we take things on our hands. We call God to come and help us. God is coming to fight this battle for us. We are going to need an image candle. This candle represents human. Before we start on this ritual, first of all, you are going to need an egg. You will need egg. This is a native egg. Go and look for it. Don't tell me I don't, there's no way I can get it. No. This is a serious battle we are about to embark on. You must be serious with it. If you keep, do you see the rate people are dying? Not all deaths are natural, let me tell you. For those that are Mr. and Mrs. Stomachs, many people died carelessly. Many people died because others used them. Many have been used. Many, their destiny is gone. We cannot continue that way. Now, so before we start this ritual, first of all, go and get this native egg. What are you going to do with this native egg? You will use this egg to cleanse yourself from head to toe. Touch it all right around your body. If you, maybe somebody have afflicted you with sickness, disappointment, failure, any kind of spiritual sickness that have been spending your money, rest, oh my goodness. Many people, their sickness have no cure. They have been taking medicines, changing from hospital to hospital to no avail. Now, the work of this is you will use this as an exchange of your life. Egg represents life in the realm of the spirit. If you don't know it now. Egg stands for life. So you will use this egg to cleanse off every affliction, attack, demonic enchantment. The enemy, many people's name are in the shrine. Many people's name are in an evil altar. Many people's name are in witchcraft coven. Many people's names are in a dark pot. Use this egg. Call your name 7 times. Before you start, go stark naked. Midnight. Go on your barefooted. Call upon your chi, call upon heaven, call upon universe. Say, come and vindicate me. That whatever that is troubling me, setback, cobweb, anything that you know you are suffering from, come and set me free. So you use this egg, begin to speak. As you are touching this egg, all from here, all over your body. Make sure you handle with care. Do not let it break because egg is a fragile something. Touch it all around your body. Now, after you have touched, you swing it off your head anti-clockwise 4 times. Go outside and smash it. You have cleansed off every power, whatever, working against you, sickness, demonic attack of any kind. Anything you know you're passing through, begin to mention it that this egg you have removed it through this egg. You go and smash it. Now you are now a free person. Now, another one you use now, you bring out your image. Go and get your image candle. That's why I'm putting this video early. Go and get your image candle. This image candle represents human being. That is the reason we have image candle. If it's spirit that is attacking you, human beings send that spirit to attack you. Spirit cannot just fly and start attacking you unless you're not in good terms with your chi. Maybe your chi is troubling you to come back home to recognize him or her. Fine. But as long as you're passing through something human being have done against you, is human being. So this candle represents it. You're going to need office pin. Count at 21 pieces of this pin. Now begin to use them. Let me bring it out. So you are not here for joke. So I should have bring it before, but I want to show you. He said, any eyes, because first of all, they will monitor you before they start attacking you. Any evil eyes that have monitored me, monitor my finances, monitor my health, monitor whatever that is good for me. When my success is coming, they will monitor and hijack it, they will monitor and steal it away. Use this pin, block their eyes, pierce this pin in this eye. Whosoever you are, I don't care to know who you are. As long as heaven and earth, there is nothing hidden under this earth. Any man, any woman have been monitoring me, monitoring my children, monitoring my marriage, monitoring my pregnancy, monitoring my health, monitoring my finances. Today, I pluck your eye. You pierce this pin. You take another and pierce in the eye. That's number one. Leave it there. Any evil man that has spoken that I will die, you take another one. You pierce their mouth. Before you start, count out 21 pieces. Now, any evil hands that have been working against me, doing juju, doing any kind of things, you pierce their eyes, their hands. You take another one. Any evil leg that have walked in a native doctor, walked in a shrine to do this, to do me this, to do me that, you pierce their legs. Any evil heart that have think evil against me and my children, that think that I will die, that think that I will never make it in life, pierce their chest. When you pierce their chest, you pierce their back chest. Any evil brain that have planned evil against me, against my family, whatever they have been planning from their head, thinking in their head, in their mind, you pierce their brain. You will do it until that 21 pieces of needle will finish. When you are done piercing it, you now go and get your Psalm 35. First of all, read Psalm 51. Ask God for mercy because nobody is pure before God. Ask God for mercy. When you're done with Psalm 51, you read Psalm 7. Whatever they have done against you, sickness, demonic attack, any kind of manipulation, this prayer is not a child's play. If you cannot do it, just shift. I want to work with serious people. I want to work with serious people. Enough is enough. How can somebody will be from January to December, you'll be visiting hospital, taking drugs? Do you know many people's body doesn't accept drugs anymore due to they have taken more than enough drugs? Now, read Psalm 51, read Psalm 7, read Psalm 31, read Psalm 35, read Psalm 38 and 39. Jot it down. If you didn't get it, rewind this video and watch it again. 38 and 39 is for dangerous enemy. Those have been suppressing you with attack, with sickness, with delay, with cobweb, with feeding you spiritually, with poison. Whatever you eat in the dream is a poison. That is where the sickness generates. When your sickness wants to go, you say, God, I thank you. I want to go and give thanksgiving because this sickness has started leaving my body. PM, you eat another one in the dream. The thing will start even. The previous one will be more better. The one they will strike will be more dangerous than the previous one you have. Or maybe when you want to expect something, say, God, I thank you. This thing is coming to me. Oh, finally, I'm now in this position. PM, they strike you with accident. You will break your legs, so they will useless you. So you can never. Now, when you are done with 38 and 39, read Psalm 94. Psalm 94, then 109. When you're done with Psalm 109, all these psalms I'm telling you, read from beginning to the end. This war is not for the weak. This is not for weaklings. Are you getting me? Read Psalm 109. After you're done reading Psalm 109, read Psalm 94. Then conclude it with Psalm 91. Go and sleep. Do this prayer. Anytime you are doing it, remember you have pierced all that your enemy, whosoever that's doing you. Even though there are five, there are 10 doing you. Let them be here. If you know their name, write their name on this on the body of this thing. If you don't know them, then tell God, tell universe that all those that are suppressing me, all those that are attacking me, write their name. If you know them, if you don't know them, no problem. Pierce the hope in, then you start prayers. Do this prayer first night, do this prayer second night, do this prayer third night. Then when you are done doing this prayer, you light this, light it. Use 999 incense, put it by your side, by the side of this candle. Light the candle to burn down. When the candle burn down, pack the whole remnants, the remnants of the candle, go and bury it. Or go and throw it far, 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 far in the dustbin. Are you getting it? Throw it away or you bury it. So that as I have buried you, I buried every of your attack, whatever, and in fact, when you are done doing this, if you know the people that is doing, you know their name, you know them physically, their life, they can never stand up again to attack you again. Follow me in this page. Follow me. Subscribe. Subscribe. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Like the video, share it. Let people see it, man. Let people receive this video. Don't watch and just relax. If you know you will not do this, maybe five fingers are not equal. Many people, their life is sweet and better, while so many people are suffering. Please, if you see this video, you know you don't need it, shift it, share it for people that need it to see it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. I really honor you all. Thank you.